What is up, guys? So today we are gonna open the Mega Egga Gaming Mystery Egg. Okay, so
what's in it? It looks like a Mega Egga Gaming Mystery Egg.
listen to it.
What's in it? Can you hear what it is? What? You hear a plushie? Now we've also got helping us, Mrs. Hands on the side. She's going to be shooting the close-ups so we can see what's in the Mega Green Egga.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
How did he know that there was a plushie inside? Could it be that big red sticker that says, where is it? Guaranteed plushie in every egg.
No, the plushie spoke to him.
It did.
Yeah.
Well, let's get to it.
Okay, I need the scissors. Well, so I hate these wrapping. That's the only thing about this that I hate so far. Is the wrapping. No.
Careful, those scissors are sharp.
Oh, there.
Remember, everybody, safety first.
Not safety first.
You don't want to get your eye put out by a Mega Green Egga.
That'll be on the news, so if you want to be on the news, then that's actually a good idea.
Okay. Hold on just a second.
As I'm going to rip this open and let's see what's inside.
Is that you or the egg?
There you go. Why? It sounds like farting. Kids.
You can't say that on TV, you know.
Yes, I can. I do what I want. It's my channel.
Here, let's move that pair of scissors away from his elbow.
Like I said,
Come on,
no
we're
safe-
dying of anticipation.
I don't care.
We gotta see what's in this thing.
Okay. There we go. You're not dying, by the way, so.
Now, we were gonna shoot this on a green screen, but there's one obvious reason we didn't. What's that?
If you're colorblind and then you don't know,
It's a giant green egg. Would have been kind of cool. We could have seen right through it and seen you.
well, of course, if that plushie is green, that'd be an extra time. So,
How much tape is on this? Where does this thing come from?
GameStop.
I mean, what country? GameStopia. The country of GameStopia. Where they apparently have giant farms of tape.
I'm getting a lot of glare from this angle, but what you can do about that?
Woo!
Is Ric Flair in the building?
Yes.
This is giant egg wrestling
How
at its
does it-
best.
It opens from the bottom. I think the bottom of it opens.
What? Oh.
I should just let you keep beating on it all night.
Okay. So our first thing, I saw a little peek. So it's a Zelda thing.
Let's see what it is. Show us, Miss Hands. What is it?
I wish I got into Zelda. Hopefully it's Zelda.
Right. How exciting is this? Oh, look at
What is
that.
that?
It's a keychain. Now show it. Let's the audience see it over here. Over here.
Oh,
Let's see.
it's a pretty little heart.
It does.
That thing is really, really pretty cute. What's next? All right, here's the next thing. Let's see. Pull out another one. Let's see. Let's see.
I'm gonna save that one for last.
Let's see. Oh, he's opening another one. Ooh, a hang tag for your backpack. An egg. It's an egg inside of an egg. Who would have thunk it?
Oh, I just broke it.
It's a green egg inside of a green egg.
It's a green egg instead of a green egg.
So it's double death for green screens.
I told you. Okay, I got a little ripped card because I just.
It's on exploding kittens.
Okay.
All right, let's see what's next.
I need to clean my stuff.
Not sure about that one either. Alright. We'll look at the packages after the fact. Let's see what's going on. What else is in that book?
Okay, I'm gonna set that until last, like I said. So. kids, if your parents don't like you throwing in floors. Okay, so. Woo!
Another Ric Flair. What is this? What is it? Let's
Who
see.
he is, but he's
Let's see what it is.
It's a Nintendo.
Let's see what it is.
We should recognize this character.
Because it's not the character.
It's not a character.
Try to show us what it is.
I'm trying to play.
Is it a remote?
It's a Wii remote.
A Wii remote for the world's tiniest Wii. I guess that'd be a Wii.
Ha ha ha. Hello, neighbor.
Oh, look, a hello neighbor.
Better a wee wee than a woo wee.
Woo!
I need a scissors.
It's a hello neighbor toy. This is kind of like the pièce de résistance. How do you say that? PC resistance? God, it's hello neighbor. It could be a trap.
Okay, so actually first let's talk about who I want it to be. So I either want it to be the crow, the neighbor kind of, or the one who's like I think I might
One of those dome things.
Yeah, it's a dumb thing. You didn't know that?
Dumb things, you say?
Well,
Dome thing. Dome thing.
Dumb thing.
domes.
Oh, look
That's
at.
the one that I've been wanting. That's the one that
Oh, look how cool that is. Show us.
It's the bear trap.
Wow.
Oh, that's cool.
What's next? What's next?
Wait, oh no, scissors.
Oh no.
I just threw the scissors.
Scissors in a bear trap.
That's why you don't play with the scissors.
I choose you.
What was that?
Throw it back up here. Please.
Ready? On camera. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I missed. I missed. That's crazy. Daddy was not a basketball player.
Obviously.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay, so we have a
Pokeball.
I choose you! Ah!
Big pussy Pokeball.
I think I actually might have that.
You have
What's
one
next?
similar to that one, but it's not exactly the same.
So far, no plushie, so that's good.
That is a
That's a plushie. You got fooled. It's a pokey plushie. What is this? Crayons?
So no.
Spinner?
Yeah.
The spinner fad is kind of came and went, so I expect lots of those to be mystery balls.
Yeah. You're actually saying that, and there's like 500 more. So, okay.
They are fun though, aren't they?
It's still going.
It's a good one. What's next? What else you got?
It's still going really strong. Okay, so it's still going.
Another one. That's okay. We got one open. Let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. We're not gonna open that one too.
Okay. So
Wow, it looks like there's still a lot more stuff in there.
there's actually, you're not on. If you know any, I might have seen the show, but I don't know. Hopefully, I get the rare one. So
Oh, I like that show.
I've never seen it.
Yeah, we watched it one time when we were at a
that's right.
hotel in Hong Kong.
Right.
Hong Kong.
Might have been Nashville.
Right after watching Hong Kong
I have
food.
no idea who this is.
It's the Fairy Godparents.
Oh, something else just fell out that I didn't notice.
You know who it is, just leave it in the comments below. We know, but I just can't see it.
Yeah, I've seen the character, but I don't know who it is.
Oh, what's this one? Is that a Mickey Mouse?
Yes, it's actually a Disneyland. Never be careful. Yeah, you don't.
So far, there's a lot of great stuff in here. And we got this at GameStop.
Oh, kidding me.
You're right-handed trying to use your scissors with your left hand.
We didn't get this at GameStop? I could have swore we got this at GameStop.
No.
Where did you get it?
Myrtle Beach.
My Hong Kong was more believable. It came from GameStop.
Okay. Goof.
Goofy.
Oh, hey. But he's now a big.
What's next?
Oh. We never.
Cartoon Network? Is another one from Cartoon Network?
No, it's
Oh,
not.
no, it's
Crossy Road.
Crossy Roads. Awesome.
So I actually love these little things because it's so easier to open the package. Because I open a lot of stuff. And guys, I forgot to say something, which I might as well say now. So subscribe to this channel, make this happen, even though you can't even see it. I'm gonna say this to the end. If you don't subscribe, then I'm gonna come to your house. And then actually no.
Especially if you live in Little Beach. We'll come to your house and hang around.
I'm gonna get him out of this dome and send him to your
Or
house.
Orlando. Or we'll go visit. Hey Ted, our friend Ted, who lives down in St. John. We'll come visit you if you don't subscribe.
Yeah. Okay.
That sounds like a good punishment.
So,
You need to see Ted in. Come on. What else you got?
okay. So I don't know what this is. Yeah, I don't know who it is.
Please? Is it Dragon Ball
It
Z?
says One Punch Man. One Punch
Mini
Man.
Ninjas? One Punch Man. Okay, that's it. Oh, let's see what it
It's
is.
a bald guy.
Oh, that looks like that's a cool looking figure.
Get out of here.
It could be The Rock.
It does not look like The Rock at all.
Jason Statham.
Just straight on his up.
Yul Brenner.
John Cena?
John Cena.
Ric Flair?
No, this ball is not Ric Flair.
Okay, so I have no idea who that is.
He's cool looking though. That is way cool.
Yeah. So the next item is whatever this is.
Oh, stickers. Overwatch stickers. Those are so cool too.
Okay, so I'm gonna put them all in here so you guys can see them. I don't have to hold them there. Okay, you can see that one. Yeah, they are actually really cool,
Well, this is an amazing amount of stuff.
but I do want to not pull. Oh, Five Nights at Freddy's. Ooh, da.
Ooh, what is it? Five Nights at Freddy cards?
Yeah.
Oh, collectible cards. Those are cool too.
I'm trying to focus on this first.
Okay, so
Look at those. That looks like a full bunch of them. Look at that.
is it rare?
That looks like a rare.
So, Bonnie. But no, this is not Bonnie. I have not. I've seen him. Puppet Man. Something. Yeah, you have to sign a paycheck if you don't subscribe. What is this? Oh.
What else you got in there?
What else do I have in my Egga?
Look at that. Is that a... Oh, I thought it was a mini egg inside of a mega egg.
And there again, it is green screen green.
You know what they thought when they packaged this? Make sure that there's nothing in there they could use on a green screen.
There's so much trash in the floor.
That's the fun part of opening things.
It is?
Yes. Like in Christmas, you don't clean up the paper till after everything's open.
Yeah. Talking about us last year.
Yeah, we had paper up their eyeballs, didn't we?
Okay, so,
Hold it up so you can see it.
what is this? Okay. Oh, it's a Yoshi little thing again.
Yoshi?
in here.
Oh, cool.
So it's one of those walker things, so I'm going to actually clear it off the table a little bit.
What else you got? Is that the last thing?
No, it's not the last one. There's like still a few more.
Oh, that's
Oh, how
cute. How cool is that? Ah,
Up.
that was worth it.
Yoshi
That was
took a
worth
dive.
the whole thing right there.
Okay, so we're going to take this. I don't know who this is, but my cousin Zachary probably does.
Fallout Boy.
I've seen him before on Zachary's Xbox.
Are you-
Okay. There we go.
What kind of figure is it? Oh, the keychain. Look at him. What's the name of the character? Is it Fallout Boy or is it just Fallout? In his hand, you got the package right there in front of you.
Says Fallout
This
4.
barely fits through the
Fallout 4.
hole. So, oh, what is getting this? So,
I just cannot believe all the things in here. And there's still things coming out of here. Digimon plush. It's a Digimon plush.
who is this one?
Well, gotta say, sometimes you get one of these mystery eggs and there's not a whole lot in them. But so far, this has had more in it than any other mystery egg we've ever
how
opened.
cute.
Oh, how neat.
That looks like the Thundercat's little.
And of course, what color is he? Green.
Green, green.
It's a
There's
green.
a theme here.
It's a green mega egg for a reason.
Well, you were talking about the one guy.
Oh, that is
Well, we have another one. I might actually, wait.
Fallout.
So.
Ah, get it, Hercules. Get it.
Yep, it's the same one.
No, that's his brother. Yeah, they're wearing different ties.
No, they're not.
There they are. Different color ties.
Okay, you guys
Is
can.
that the last thing?
They are different, Georgie.
Told you.
Oh, they are.
Told
They
you.
look the same.
And don't forget, folks, that we do a lot of different toy openings. We do adventures. Yeah, the adventures we've done. You can see our stuff on INC Family on the Roku platform.
I'm going to talk about.
Just look for Georgie TV on INC Family on the Roku platform. Soon coming to Fire Stick and other platforms.
But you also want to subscribe on YouTube.
And YouTube. You can find us on Georgie TV Adventures, Georgie TV, and George Vanilla on
This
YouTube.
is the one that you're on right now. Is George ETV, not George ETV Adventures. Sorry, George ETV. So there you go.
Wow, another one of those? You know what? That is an amazing amount of those.
There.
There's probably $40 worth of those. Is that Star Wars? Oh, wow. What is that Star Wars minifig? What is it?
I think it's Star Wars. Oh my crap. Chewbacca.
Chewbacca. That is so cool. It's either a key ring or a backpack hanger. Is that what it is?
Another Hello Neighbor.
Oh, you're kidding me. 2 Hello Neighbors in the same pack?
And you can actually not get these at Walmart. So,
Scissors?
Here.
we have so much stuff you can.
I know. I'm just amazed. Look at all that stuff on the top of that counter there, Miss Hands. Look at that. That is just an amazing amount of stuff.
Okay, there.
Let's see what we got. Move that egg just a little bit so we can kind of see what you're doing.
Don't turn it that way. So I already know which one it is. So let's see for you guys. I'm kind of hoping it's the. Oh, I already know. but I want this finger today. So, and I'll show you a cool thing about it.
Oh, they stack together? Look at that.
I have another at home, so I can stack it. Now, the time that we've all been waiting for.
The very last thing. Is there I think there's one more thing in there, wasn't there?
Yep.
Let's see.
I didn't get it. So, wait, there's 2 more things.
Well, let's see them. Oh, wow, look at that.
Stickers.
No, it's metal stuff for your
Let's move the egg a little bit so we can see it.
Well, this
It's
is crap.
Overwatch magnets. That's cool.
Is that it? Is that all of
Magnets
it?
for your fridge.
Well, what do you think of all this? What do you think of all this? Was it a good mystery egg?
It was a good mystery egg, and this is what we've all been waiting for.
Oh, look, that was the last little surprise. Show us here, right here. Wow. I think that was just an awesome mystery egg. I mean, look at all that stuff. That was just an amazing amount of stuff. So, give us your opinion of it, Georgie. What is your review of the Mega Egga Green Mystery Egg? Egga. Egga Green. Gamma, you say it. Mega Gamma Egga Green Egga.
I have to get the paper.
Egga.
It's still good.
And there you go. We can read it off the paper.
So, Mega Egga Gaming. That's it.
Mystery egg.
Mystery egg. And it was a lot.
Oh, I'm just amazed how much stuff that was. So anyway, we got to sign off. Oh. And be sure to join us next time for another adventure on Georgie TV or a toy opening. You never can tell what we're going to be doing, right?
Right. It's all an adventure.
And don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
Georgie TV.
Away with my fidget spinner.